What happens to your body when you do battle ropes every day? Although many people are aware of the importance of working out, they often struggle to find enough time for a long exercise session. However, this does not necessarily mean that they should cancel their gym membership. Instead, they can opt for short but effective routines that offer multiple benefits in just 15 minutes or less. One such routine is the use of battle ropes, which is an excellent exercise for improving overall fitness as it engages multiple muscle groups at once. Not only is it effective, but it is also enjoyable and addicting. It's a great challenge to try to surpass your previous records. This video will explore the effects of doing battle ropes every day on your body. Your body will be stronger. According to a study, participants who did battle ropes 3 times a week for 6 weeks showed an increase in their strength levels by the end of the experiment. They were able to perform up to 10 more push-ups and scored higher on their strength tests. Interestingly, using heavier rope weights was linked to higher strength levels. The reason why battle ropes can increase your overall body strength is that they engage multiple muscle fibers in your arms, legs, and core. The explosive movements involved in this exercise cause your muscles to contract harder, and you can challenge yourself further by increasing the weight you lift. You can also use different techniques to target specific body parts. For example, lowering your body can activate your glutes and lower back, while swinging the ropes simultaneously can activate your lower back, and alternating swings can target your obliques. Another great thing about battle ropes is that you can see improvements in your strength levels in as little as 2 weeks. Your cardiovascular health will improve. Battle ropes can serve as a part of your cardio workout and can be as intense and energetic as you desire. This exercise helps increase your heart rate rapidly, making it an excellent way to boost your cardiovascular health. Studies have indicated that doing just 10 minutes of battle ropes each day can elevate your heart rate to the maximal oxygen consumption zone, also known as VO2, which for study participants was around 163 beats per minute. This exercise can also enhance your aerobic capacity, leading to numerous benefits for your overall health. Aerobic exercise increases endurance, making your body more resilient in handling physical stress. Furthermore, aerobic fitness is linked to a lower resting heart rate, thus reducing the risk of developing coronary artery disease or stroke. It is crucial to note that the amount of time it takes to achieve these benefits varies from person to person. How long it takes. Consistent dedication to your routine is necessary to achieve these results. Building a foundation for a healthier heart requires a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks of regular exercise. The study mentioned earlier showed that battle ropes can burn approximately 110 calories in just 10 minutes, which is comparable to a stair-stepper and higher than running. If you have a busy schedule and little time for exercise, doing battle ropes every day can help you make a significant dent in your daily caloric intake. Battle ropes also increase your muscle mass, which raises your resting metabolic rate. Even when you're not exercising, your muscles need more fuel, and your metabolism will burn through your fat stores faster if it's faster. Depending on the intensity of your workout, battle ropes can increase your heart rate in the anaerobic or maximal oxygen consumption zone. This leads to a significant afterburn effect that boosts your metabolism for up to 48 hours, accelerating the caloric burn during that time. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks to lose 1 pound. Your stress levels will decrease. Using battle ropes for exercise can aid in stress management by promoting relaxation. This is due to the release of endorphins and other feel-good hormones during exercise, which reduce stress, enhance mood, and decrease anxiety. Moreover, battle ropes can provide an excellent outlet for any pent-up anger or frustration due to the intense and vigorous movements involved. Group classes or working out with friends while doing battle rope exercises can also facilitate socialization and help create new connections. You may notice a reduction in stress levels and improved mood after just one 10-minute session. However, with consistency, long-term improvements in your mental health will become evident. Your fat and belly fat will muff away. In addition to increasing your calorie burning capacity and creating an afterburn effect, battle ropes can aid in fat loss, including stubborn belly fat. Furthermore, battle ropes have been shown to reduce stress levels, and the stress hormone cortisol has been linked to a higher body fat percentage. Battle ropes are an effective way to target hard-to-reach stubborn belly fat, which many of us struggle with, because they engage the entire core region, including the lower back and oblique muscles. Your belly may appear slimmer within a week, but more consistent improvements in appearance and fat loss can be observed after 4 weeks. Your balance, stability, and coordination balance will improve. To improve your balance, stability, and coordination, battle ropes are an effective exercise because they require you to constantly adjust your grip and position. This constant change forces your body to maintain balance, while the swinging motion of the ropes engages your stabilizer muscles, ultimately leading to improved stability. As you work out, battle ropes also train your muscles to work in harmony, increasing your motor control. It is important to use proper form and engage your core throughout the entire exercise to maximize the benefits. You can expect to see results in as little as a week of daily battle rope exercises. Your injury resilience will increase. To those seeking to improve their strength, endurance, and coordination, battle ropes offer a unique and effective workout option. But in addition to those benefits, battle ropes can also increase your injury resilience. This is due to the fact that battle ropes engage multiple muscle groups at once, helping your body to better handle impact forces. Additionally, the constant movement of battle ropes can increase your range of motion and flexibility, which are essential in reducing the risk of injury. By incorporating battle ropes into your daily routine, you can help ensure your long-term health and fitness. It's worth noting that the risk of injury decreases after consistently doing battle ropes for 6 to 8 weeks. You will become more mentally tough. It's true that incorporating battle ropes into your daily routine can be a demanding task, but many people don't realize the extensive mental benefits of this workout. Aside from physical strength, battle ropes can also enhance your mental toughness. One of the main advantages of battle ropes is that it requires you to remain focused and present. This is because the ropes are constantly moving and changing, necessitating your full attention and concentration. Battle ropes are great for improving your stamina and endurance, both physically and mentally. As your body grows stronger, so will your mind, making it easier to deal with challenging situations and remain composed under pressure. It only takes a few battle rope sessions to start transforming your mindset. Conclusion. To sum up, battle ropes are a unique and demanding workout that can enhance both your physical and mental well-being. Battle ropes can help decrease stress, increase strength, improve balance and coordination, and reduce the risk of injury. The best part is that they are a time-efficient workout that requires no special equipment, just a decent-sized rope or battle strap. Consequently, battle ropes offer a convenient and effective exercise option for anyone looking to improve their fitness quickly. Why not give them a try and see where they can take you? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.